Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from SoFi app. First of all, open your SoFi app. On the bottom of your screen, you will see a $ which will say account. Click on it and here you will see deposit. Click on deposit and here you have three different options: EDDA, online banking and ATM bank counter. If you haven't already added your bank account, you have to click on bank account on the bottom. After adding your bank account, you have to select your bank account on this option and then you have to deposit money on SoFi Bank. Here you will see bank account details. If you click on it, there are two different banks, HSBC and Bank of China. So there are all the details of the HSBC bank, the account number USD, the Chinese account and Swift code. Or if you select the ATM bank counter, you would have to upload your ATM deposit receipt here. You can click on camera and take a photo or choose the picture from your gallery. There are around 55,000 different ATMs worldwide from where you can deposit your cash. And that's how to transfer money from SoFi application. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.